Hi, I'm Grady Edwards, a digital integration specialist with Horry County Schools. Today, we will be exploring Google Translate. Google Translate is an extension and a web-based app that can be used for translations or oral accommodations. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking our logo during the video. Also, give us feedback or check out our related videos by clicking the pop-up cards in the upper right-hand corner. Let's get started with Google Translate. First, let's take a look at Google Translate as a web-based feature. You can utilize this web-based feature by going to translate.google.com. Here you'll open up a couple of translate boxes. For example, I can type in school. Now these boxes do limit you to 5,000 characters. If you're looking to translate something a little bit longer, I would recommend going to translate a document, and this will translate the entire document for you. But if it's something that you can type right in or that you can copy and paste right in fairly quickly, a paragraph or so, you can go ahead and do that here. If I type in school, you see now I have the translate set to Spanish. So now I see school, and I also see synonyms for school. And it gives me the English definition of those synonyms located here. You can also utilize Google Translate through the Chrome Web Store as a Google Chrome extension. To get that extension, all you'll need to go is go to the Chrome Web Store, search Google Translate, and add it to Chrome. Once you've added it to Chrome, you should see the Google Translate indicator or the icon up in this upper right-hand corner. Let's give an example for the Horry County Schools webpage. I can now translate this entire page if I want to by clicking this icon. I can translate a couple words on here, or I can go to translate this entire page. And when I do that, you'll see this bar highlighted. I want it translated to, let's say, Spanish. And now any text that's on this actual web page will automatically be translated. So that's a cool little feature right there. Now some of the things that you see that aren't translated, that's likely because they're JPEG or PNG or picture files. The picture files won't be translated, but anything that's text on the actual web page should be translated there for you. In addition to the whole page translation capabilities, you can also highlight smaller passages of the text. So if I want to, let's say I've again translated this to Spanish, and now I want to highlight todo el dia. I'll hit translate, and it'll show me the English translation of this when it's translated as the web page is translated to Spanish, which is pretty cool. And if I want to, I can play these out so I can hear the vocalization of these phrases, which is pretty neat. I can also, if I go to extension options, I can set my primary language, and you have some pop-up translation options here for you, so you can really customize it to fit your needs. I'll go back to this web page, and I can also go to more. And if I do that, it'll open me up back to the web-based version where I can take a look more in depth at the actual translation and translate it to whatever I need to be. So that option is there for you as well. So pretty cool little tool. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow us by clicking on the links below in the description. Thanks.